Hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Khalid Masood Kareem. In this weekly video tutorial, I will share technical aspects and techniques of top volume leaders of the Karachi Stock Exchange. It is not a recommendation to buy or sell. The Karachi Stock Exchange 100 Index closed at 46,386 level on January 29, 2021. The weekly closing is slightly below the projected weekly pivot level of 46,278 level. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 48,393 and 45,546 respectively. Technically, the index may continue its upside nervous drive, if it respects the supportive zone. The K Electric closed at 4.39 level on January 29, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 4.28. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 5 and 3.95 respectively. Technically, the stock is in sideways trend, but can test the overhead resistance. The TRG closed at 127.28 level on January 29, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 118.70. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 160.18 and 101.86 respectively. Technically, the stock is likely to continue its upside journey with a lot of volatility. The Unity Foods has closed at 36.16 level on January 29, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 34.68. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 43.65 and 30.80 respectively. Technically, the stock is in uptrend. The ASGARD 9 closed at 32.97 level on January 29, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 31.08. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 39.70 and 27.08 respectively. Technically, the stock is in strong uptrend after a bullish breakout. The PRL closed at 26.91 level on January 29, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 25.32. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 30.37 and 23.65 respectively. Technically, the stock is in mild uptrend. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.